Hello guys and welcome to Bit9 Tutorials. In this video I'll show you how to clear cache on your Mac to optimize its performance. Whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or iMac, the process is the same. Clearing cache helps improve your Mac's speed by removing temporary files stored from websites you visit, apps you use daily, and system processes. Now, let's get started. First, open the Go to Folder window. You can do this by clicking Go in the menu bar and selecting Go to Folder, or you can use the shortcut Shift plus Command plus G on your keyboard. Once the window opens, type ~library caches and press Enter. Now you'll see the cache folder containing various temporary files. To delete them, simply press Command plus A to select all files, then press Command plus Delete to move them to the trash. These files aren't completely removed yet, so the next step is to open the trash, click Empty, and confirm. Once done, all cache files will be permanently deleted from your Mac, and that's it. This simple process helps free up storage and keeps your Mac running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.